Hi beauties, it's Jean Piersanti with Beauty and the Stamper, and I know so many of you were wondering what I was going to do with that silver tray. Well, I finally got around to doing it, and I'm going to show you what I made with it right now and in the video. So let's go ahead and look at what I made. It came out better than I expected. It's a jewelry holder. Alright, let me go ahead and show you how I made this for only $3. Alright, let's go ahead and get started. So it's $3, you guys. That's all it's going to cost. And we're going to be using the self-adhesive hooks. And each one holds up to a pound. Can you believe that? We're also going to be using one of these picture frames, but I'm only going to be using this back part here. So we're going to take this off, and we can keep this for a future DIY. So I'm going to just set that off to the side here. And then we've got our tray. So I'll set this off to the side for just a bit as well. I'm going to turn this sideways so you can see what's going on. I, of course, have my take your pick tool because I'm going to be taking off these little backs here. And so what I'm going to do is we're just going to pull those little backs off, and we're going to stick them down. You got to be careful while you're sticking these down because you want them to be as straight as possible. That's straight. And then we're going to do 3 across the top. We're going to get this one going all the way over here. Again, you want to do it straight and you want to have an approximate area there. And then after we do the 3, I'm going to add 2 more. There we go, all the way over to this side. And then the 2 are going to go right in between. And have you figured out what I'm doing yet? Alright, let's see here. Now this one's going to go right in between those 2. And then this one is going to go right in between the other 2. I'm telling you, if you don't have one of these by now, it always makes me laugh when I get one order. There we go. When I get one order for just the take your pick tool, because I'm like, yes, that is so worth it. Okay, so there is the first layer there. Now we're going to go toward the bottom here, and we're going to add 6 down at the bottom. All right, I'll tell you what it is. It's going to be a jewelry holder. So while I'm putting these on, we're going to start at the bottom, and I'm going to leave a little bit more room. I'm not going to do it as low. Oh, shoot. Okay, that's what I didn't want to happen. I'm going to try and pop this up real quick. Whew. As long as you do it quickly, I guess. What was I saying? Oh, because you want to keep it straight as possible. And I completely forgot where I was going. Oh, you'll want to be able to leave enough room for longer jewelry. So, I know I was going to say something else, but I don't know what it was. Oh, I know what I was going to say. That this is going to be beautiful all in itself because this is silver and this is silver. They're 2 different types of silver, but that's okay. They work really well together. And then if you wanted to bling it out, you could do so with some nice gems as well. I mean, there's so much that can be done. You can paint this to whatever color that you want it. So yeah, when I see people buying just the take your pick tool. It's such a good, I get so excited for them because I think it's such a good investment. As long as you don't lose them, because I'll tell you, I think I'm on at least my third one, because now I can't survive without it. But you guys, these will hold rings, these will hold necklaces, they'll hold your rubber bands if you want. I mean, so many things can be held on here. So these down here are going to be for your rings and bracelets. And those are a little bit crooked. Let's see if I can. I think it's actually just this one. Yeah, it's. Okay, so now we've got this. You could put a hanger on the back if you'd like, so that it can be hung. But I wanted to put this so that it could stand up on a dresser and kind of make a nice showpiece. And then it does have a hanger if you wanted to hang it as well. So I'm just going to get my hot glue, and we are going to put that hot glue on here. And we want to put a lot, but we also don't want it to dry beforehand. Okay, there we go. And we're going to line this up all the way at the bottom and as center as possible. Be careful if it pops out the side. All right. You guys, that's it. How quick and easy is that? And then I know you can't see it. I'll take a picture. But look, no hands. It's standing up so nicely. So I'll put a little bit of jewelry on here and take a picture so you can see. If you like this, please give me a big thumbs up. If you decide to recreate it yourself, maybe you can add bling, you could add flowers, you could add ribbon, whatever you'd like to make it your own. I would love to see what you come up with. All right, beauties, have a wonderful day, and I hope you have a wonderful weekend as well. Bye!